Ever seen this 3D scroll effect on websites? Well, it is called parallax. So if you don't want website to be flat, then you can add parallax scrolling to it. Hi everyone, in today's video we will create this basic parallax scrolling website. Now to understand this effect better, we are using this mockup. We are converting this mockup into a parallax scrolling website. Now to sum up what is a parallax scrolling, we can say that it is a scrolling effect where background images move slower than the foreground, which creates a 3D depth and motion. So objects feels live. So let's quickly look at the mockup. So we have hero section, then we have a flavor section, then we have shown some key highlights of the business, why choose us, and then we have put a simple we are encouraging user to join on a Insta. So we have total 4 section. Now whatever objects you are seeing, we will create depth to it to give parallax effects. So let's see how to do it. So let's start with the hero section. I'm taking one container. Now I have predefined few styles to speed up fonts, colors, etc. So let's okay, here I am adding that ice cream image. We don't want to repeat the image, so we are putting like this. Now here we have a heading. Okay, on this main container, for now I'm putting VH100. It will make it full viewport. So I'm just adding styling effect right now. We have one CTA here. Okay, let's see the preview. Now, as you can see, we have objects placed. Now, let's add depth to it. Now, everything is on one layer. So, for now, ice cream image is in the background and the text and button CTA is in the foreground. So to create a depth, we will move them at a different speed. So we are keeping this front part, that is punchline and button, at a normal speed and with some animation, and with this image we will move it slower or we will fix it. So to do that, okay, I'm going in the container and I am making attachment fixed. Okay, so now image is fixed. Now let's add me here some animation. Okay, so here you can already see the effect. As I'm scrolling the page, you can see the little bit depth here, that this page you will, everything is on one layer, but you will feel like this is above the ice cream image. So okay, so that was the we try to achieve that kind of scrolling or with background stuff. Now let's see on foreground object how you can achieve that. So we have given this container 100 vh. I'm making it smaller. Okay, just little bit making compact. Okay, now next section is our flavor section. We need to show four flavors. So for that I am taking a grid layout, and let's set up our section layout first. So I'm just fixing first our UI. Okay, so our flavor section has been ready. So in a grid layout, we have four images. Now, as you can see, it looks flat. Now let's create a little bit 3D effect. So to achieve that, I'm trying to separate this scope than a background. So to do that, I'm going in the motion. So if you select the image, you will find in advanced motion effects. So here I am adding let's say scrolling effect vertical. Let's I'm giving direction up and speed 3. Let's apply same. Okay, all I have done is I have given motion values, vertical scrolling to all four scopes. Now let's see how the preview looks. Now as I'm scrolling, as you can see, there is a motion with a scope. So they are separated from the background with the motion effects. So it creates a little bit depth and 3D effect. Now let me prepare next section UI quickly. That is a why choose us. Okay, so now we have why choose us UI ready. So we have in a background, we have a churning image and we are showing key objects here. So right now it's a flat. So let's add some 3D effect. So for that I'm choosing this main container where we have placed our background image. First I'm making attachment fix. Okay. So already a little bit depth has been showing. Now let's add some animation to foreground objects. So to this individual key aspects, so highlighted points we can say. So I'm adding effect, let's say on hover, I'm just adding some flipping. So this is our final look. We have a fixed background churning image, and we have added some interactivity with foreground object. So as you can see, we have added some liveliness with the objects. Now I have prepared next section UI. So here I don't want a big dramatic thing. I'm just simply choosing the image, and I'm adding some hover effect. On hover, let's make it little bit float, so it gives a little bit movement on mouse hover. For text, I just want to grab the attention. So there is no parallax here, but we are just adding some motion effects. So let's make it zoom in. For Insta ID, I am putting fade in up, and I'm delaying little bit. Okay, now I'm finishing the footer, and let's see the final look of the page. So here is the page. On a hero section, we have added depth with background image. Then on a second section, we have put some vertical scrolling motion effects. So that's how we have added depth to the page. And on third, we have put a fixed background image, and along with that, we have added some mouse over interaction. On fourth, again we have some mouse interaction, and so this is how you can play around with various effects, their measurement and etc., to give more parallax scrolling effects to the page. So this is it for today. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.